New month, new possibilities. We're bringing our 8-pound weights to the party today. Stop remembering only bad. 3 quick points. The first point is our mind has a stickiness for the negative. We're going to start with our baby weights, and it takes intentionality to remember the positive over the negative. But doesn't that mean whatever happened in the negative is getting a pass? No. What we're talking about today in our love letter to men, still unpacking proud flesh, is why is the negative so sticky, and how do you make the positive sticky? Come on over to TikTok. We're going to unpack this, drill down, and talk about how to make the positive sticky. Enjoy your day. This is the Via Jean. Keep on living. See you over on TikTok. Bye.